And we're going to enter the new bridge of Sanibel as we cruise between the mainland of Fort Myers and Sanibel Island. You can see the ocean to our right, the main bridge directly in front of us, which we're going to be crossing here momentarily. The island had a lot of destruction during the hurricane and a lot of rebuild, and they've actually raised this road above ground level since the ground is now gone. So follow us, everybody, as we continue our journey to the mainland of Fort Myers. And as we continue our journey, see the distance of the land here as it lowers the bridges up, the new ones. But all this was actually washed away and the roads were totally gone. Give you an idea of the traffic in front of us and coming at us as we cross the bridges. We're going to be heading over to that main bridge in the canal where the yachts, sailboats, and boaters will be using in this area. And as we wind our way around, you can see Fort Myers in the background there. The old road was off to our right. This is all newly constructed, again from the hurricane. And this is going to take us over the bridge. It also gives a passage to the yachts to go under, including sailboats. I don't know what the height is, but it should be around 80 feet. As we make our way up the bridge here at Sanibel. A nice view. And as we peek the bridge here, I'm going to try to give you a nice overview of the other side, the traffic in front of us. And yes, they have a toll up here now. Charged to go over the bridge. They got a new Bimini bait shack over there on the left. So follow us as we make our way to Fort Myers on motorcycles and poker adventures.